Hello guys, this is George. Welcome back to George Basics channel. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to download Age of Empires 3 Definitive Edition for free. So before we start, don't forget hit the like buttons. Likes are super important for us. Okay guys, to download the game, we need to use Steam. So make sure that you have got the Steam on your PC or laptop. If you don't have it, just Google download Steam and download Steam on your device. So once you will have the Steam, then you need to go to the search bar and you need to type Age of Empires 3 in the search bar and click this search icon right here. And you'll see the list, and here will be Age of Empires 3 Definitive Edition, which is free. So you need to click the game. But before you will download the game, make sure that this game is not totally free. It's free trial, and to unlock all of the features you need to buy the base game, guys. But you can test the game, you can play the game with this free trial, and if you like this game, then you can unlock all of the features with buying the base game, which is right here. Just scroll a little bit down, and here will be buy Age of Empires 3 Definitive Edition base game, which costs $10.49, guys. So first of all, you can play this game for free, and then if you like it, you can buy this game. Just click add to cart button right here. You need to select purchase for myself. You need to select the payment method and finalize the payment, guys. So that's very simple. You will unlock all of the features of the game with this base game version, but before that you can play the free trial version. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button. See you in the next video.